Everyone, this is the time for your homework, that page number 10 from your English workbook. Okay, chapter number 3. I know my letter sounds, capital A and small a. I know, K-N-O-W, know, my, M-Y, my, letter, L-E-T-T-E-R, letter, sounds, S-O-U-N-D-S, sounds, capital A and small a. This will be your homework. So write here HW and today's date, that's same 06/04/2021. Okay. The heading is HELP, help, the, 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 and ANT, and, rich, RESCH, rich, the, 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 apple, APPLE. So help the ant reach the apple. Here is ant, this is ant, A-N-T, ant. This is apple, A for apple. So help the ant to reach the apple. How it's possible? Yes, it's possible because here the lines are there. Okay. So we have to join the lines and then the ant will go this path and it will reach to the apple. Yes, it's very easy. And you see, this is slanting line. What you have done in your classwork, that slanting line for writing capital A. So it will start from here. Then here, okay. This one. This one. 1, 2. Step 1. Step 2. Step 1. Step 2. Step 1. Step 2. Okay. This is the fun time. I'm sure that you all have enjoyed to draw the lines. Okay. So it's complete now. This path and will go and it will reach to the apple. Next part. Complete, C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E, complete the, T-H-E, the, outline, O-U-T-L-I-N-E, outline of, O-F, of, the, T-H-E, the, apples, A-P-P-L-E-S, complete the outline of the apples. You can see here 1, 2, 3 apples, and one side is already completed, another sides only the dots are given. So we have to join the dots and make outline to complete the apples. Let's start from here. Yes, we have completed the first apple. Now I'm going for the second apple. Yes, it's also finished. Then the third apple is going to finish. Yes, so 3 apples are completed. Next is that tick, T-I-C-K, tick means right sign, the, T-H-E, the, pictures, P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures, that, T-H-A-T, that, begin, B-E-G-I-N, begin, with, W-I-T-H, with, the, T-H-E, the, sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound, of, O-F, of, the, T-H-E, the, letter, L-E-T-T-E-R, letter, A, capital A and small a. So here you can see the pictures. First one is ant, A-N-T, ant. Next, this is ambulance, A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. This is ball, football, B-A-double ball. This one is bat, B-A-T, bat. And this one is apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. So we have to put tick mark the pictures that begin with the sound of A. So the first one is ant, ant, A-N-T, ant. So we will put tick mark. This is ambulance, sound. Okay, so we will put tick mark. This one is ball. The sound is that b, so it will not correct. Next, this is bat. Same thing, the letter B starting with B and the sound is b, it will not correct. And this picture is that apple, a sound, so it will correct. So here you can see a and a. All the three pictures are begin with the sound of a. Okay. Now move on to the next page, that page number 11, 11. What is written here? Circle the letter A, capital A. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle the T-H-E, the letter, L-E-T-T-E-R, letter, capital A. So here you can see some alphabet letters are given. We have to find out where the capital A's are. So let's find out. First letter is capital A, then B, C, D. Again A, D, G, F. Next line B, A, C, D. Then fourth line D, C, B, A. Next C, D, A, E. So first one is A. We have to circle it. Next another A. Then B, A. Yes, here. C, D, B. Again A. Next C, D, again A. Then after E. Okay. Now right side, same thing. Circle the letter small a. This is capital A. This one is small a. So first letter is A. Yes, circle it. B, C, D. Again A. Circle it. D, G, F. Then B, A. Circle C, D. D, C, B, A. Again A. Next D, C, D, A, E. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A letters, capital letters, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small a's. Now the next part, circle C-I-R-C-L-E, circle the T-H-E, the pictures, P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures, that T-H-A-T, that, begin, B-E-G-I-N, begin with, W-I-T-H, with, the T-H-E, the sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound, of, O-F, of, the T-H-E, the letter, L-E-T-T-E-R, letter, capital A, this is small a. So the sentence is, circle the pictures that begin with the sound of the letter A. What is this? This is banana. So the starting letter is B. What is this? This is and. The starting letter is A. This is indicates here that arrow. This is called ankle. Starting letter is A. This is arrow. Starting letter is A. And this one is apple. Starting letter is A. So we have to find out that which pictures name starting with the sound of A. This is banana, ba. So it will not correct. This is and, a. So we have to circle it. This is ankle. Again that sound letter is A. We will circle it. This is arrow. Same thing. Starting letter is A. So circle it. And the last one, this is also apple. Means the first letter is A. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 pictures are starting with A letter sound. Okay. That's why we are circle it. And only left this one because this is banana. The starting letter is B. So this will be your homework for today.